In today's video, we'll be making soap. So my oils are already measured out. And in here, I have coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, and cocoa butter. These are the molds that I'll be using for my soap. So let's get right into this video. When making soap, everything requires measurement. So right now, I'll be measuring my caustic soda, also known as lye. Next, I'll be measuring out my water, and the water that I'll be using for this soap is distilled water. Here is my distilled water, and I'll be pouring my lye, also called caustic soda. And remember, every soap is made. Every soap that is made includes caustic soda, okay, or lye. You can't make soap without it from scratch. So you got to pour it gently, and as you pour it, it will be heating up. So I got to pour the lye until all the particles are dissolved. So let's pour it inside. And you got to be careful because lye usually burn if it catch your skin. Okay, so now that my caustic soda is all mixed together, I'll be putting it aside while I work on my aloe vera. Okay, so the soap that I'll be making is aloe vera soap. So the next method requires my oil, and this is my aloe vera leaf that I'll be using. So I'll be cutting it and I'll be placing it inside of my oil and blend. The process that I'm using to make this soap is called the cold process method. So that's my whole aloe vera leaf. So let's go to the next step. So next, I'll be plugging in my stick blender and we'll be blending up the aloes and the oils together so they can combine into one format. So now that all the aloes are all blended up together and combined, we are gonna gently pour our mixture of our lye solution, and you're gonna pour this gently because you don't want it to splash on your skin. And I'll be blending this now until my mixture come to trace. And it's smelling so lovely. And this coconut oil is homemade coconut oil, 100% natural, and it's smelling so lovely. Also, I wouldn't be adding any scent to this soap. Pure. So right now my soap is at trace, and trace is when you take your stick blender and you put it at the top of the soap and you see those markings. That is when you know that your soap is ready to go into the mold. So we are gonna do that now. Okay, so my mold are all filled up, so I gotta grab another mold. There's no more space leave, and we have a good bit of soap remaining, our aloe vera soap. So we will be pouring it into this other design. So these are my aloe vera soap in the mold, and this is how they are looking. And I'll be unplugging them tomorrow. You see, I had to leave them for 24 hours, then we'll do the unplugging. So I'm just gonna do a little cleaning up. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. So it's the next day, and these are my aloe vera soap. And I add colors to the ones and them that I put in the next mold. And these are the turnout. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and see you guys on the next one. Bye.